Yeah, should I just do spin the wheel, and then in the description I'll do spin the wheel for my killer survivor, my killer survivor, I guess. 10,000.
Otherwise, you could just make 2 of the same value one and make 1 killer, 1 survivor.
This is true. But I feel like spinning the wheel for the survivor is kind of boring. I think it should just be killer. Because, like, it doesn't affect the game. Right?
Why don't you give them the option? If they want to do killer, they do killer. If they don't want to, it's there for them.
True. Spin the wheel. Spin the wheel to choose.
Or maybe you should do a perk wheel. And an outfit wheel? I don't know. Or an outfit? I don't know.
Spin the wheel to choose which killer or survivor I play. Maybe I'll just do that. I feel like that's good. I also need to get some Pokeballs. What's that?
Randomized perk one? I don't know.
I could do that, yeah. I might do that. Perk generator, maybe? For 10k? Or is that too much?
Maybe make it a little lower, maybe like
5k?
7 or 8.
I hate that I'm basically 5 or excel. 5! Oh my god, that's so frustrating because you actually have to buy more for that. Steven, are you Steam or console?
I think you said it's console.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Did I miss it? Oh, your console. Sorry, I missed it. Okay. Can you see my thing here? You can add. While that's happening, I will do this. Just add in my wheel icons. Yay! Professor Pasta. I need to change the color of my channel redemptions too, because I've sort of changed the pink that I've been using. You joined and left. You bugged out? That's okay. Let's get you back in. MZ, feel free to not answer this, but is MZ short for Emma? Oh my god, I love the name Emma, but no, it's Emily. It's Emily. But I love the name Emma. I think Emma is so cute. But no one calls me Emily. Literally nobody calls me Emily. It's either MZ or like M or M's. I get M's. Emily is such a perfect name for you. What? What? Really? Pastor, do you want to make the lobby? It seems like you're struggling. How about we all hold on. Why don't we join Pasta? That's okay, don't stress, we'll figure it out. I'll invite the others into you. Here we go. Crit and hoopa. It's so cute. Aw, Tabby. Stop. I've never thought that, you know. I've never thought that. Emily is a hot name though. Why? Oh, what? No, you guys are crazy. Really? You like that name? I've literally never thought that before. But I feel like, I don't know, I feel like it's normal to like not like your own name. You should start thinking that then maybe I should. I've never gone by Emily. I feel like when I get called Emily, my dad's getting cranky at me or something. You like Lily? Is that your favorite name? Lily's a cute name.
Not Amelia? Amelia off the table then?
That's cute. I like that name too. I hate my own name, but I also can't change it. See, this is what I mean. Like, you just don't like your own name. It's just, maybe you just hear it too much.
But it's just your name though. Like, it's so hard to be like, oh, I'll change my name. Because it's like, it's your name.
Yeah.
It's like, it's just been your name, and that is your name.
That's who you are.
Sort of thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The 2, now 3 Emilys I know are all bad bitches. Oh my god, Soph, stop. I love you. You know what? You can send Reaper to kind of love this. I kind of love this a lot. You should totally make a Twitch account if you don't have one, and then chat with me all day, every day. I love it. You like my hype, girl? The first letter of my username is based off my IRL name. So your name starts with a C. Is that what I'm hearing?
Like Christian.
What are some C names?
This was like CR. Like
Kane.
Christian.
Cantaloupe. Oh my god.
I would definitely change my name if I was actually called that.
Yeah. What's another C name? Christian? Card.
Yeah. Maybe.
Oh my god. Automod didn't like your message.
Cats?
Because it thought you were being racist, Tabby. What the hell? There we go.
Cole?
Cole? I don't know. Ask Automod.
That's a Bubba.
You're joking. Is it? Don't tempt me, am I? Izzy's building a PC, so we might stream. Oh my god, please do. Oh my god, please do. Wait, is that Reaper's name? Izzy? Because I said white bitch. Yeah, Automod hated it. It was like, nah. Oh my god, it's a Bubba. I want to go play with Bubba. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
I'm screwed.
Yeah.
Got lucky there.
Nice.
Oh, I managed to avoid that. Oh my god, how am I dodging these swings?
You're amazing, bestie. Just killing it.
I couldn't get far enough.
Oh, you're there.
To make him swing 4 times before I
Oh,
went down.
okay, if he comes here, I've got to get a tree.
Let's see. Where does it go? Keep going.
To Shack.
Tree, I think.
I think to Shack.
Oh.
The Steves. Hold on, I'm just going to do this really quick. Bubba's parents are letting him play with the neighbor's kids, but will he be too rough? Don't defile my Bubba!